Microsoft just dropped another update to the release preview channel for Windows 11 25H2 and Windows 11 24H2. Build number 26200.8328 and 26100.8328. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today we're breaking down the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build from Microsoft released on April 30, 2026. This is build number 26200.8328 and 26100.8328, and trust me, this update is packed with features. From a brand new Xbox mode, to running AI directly on your taskbar, to major file and multitasking improvements. Let's break it down. Let's start with the biggest one. If you just go to settings and then gaming, and then here we'll see Xbox mode. Just click on it and make sure that enable Xbox mode is checked on, and close it and just open the Xbox application. And if you just click on Xbox mode, it will enable a full screen Xbox mode here. And here if you just press on Win key, you may see full screen Xbox mode is here and Windows desktop is here. Easily the highlight of the update. Imagine turning your Windows PC into something that feels like a console. That's exactly what this does. It got a controller-friendly interface. It looks and feels like an Xbox dashboard. And most importantly, it kills background distractions. So a PC can focus purely on gaming performance. This is huge for handheld gaming PCs, low-end systems, and anyone tired of Windows slowing down games. But here is the interesting part. This signals a bigger shift. Windows is slowly becoming a hybrid OS for both productivity and gaming consoles. Now this one's subtle but very powerful. Windows is introducing a system where AI tasks can run in the background and show progress directly on the taskbar. For example, if AI like Copilot is doing research or generating content, you don't need to keep the window open anymore. You just see a live progress indicator on the taskbar. This is a step forward. Passive computing, AI working on the background while you multitask. And honestly, this is just the beginning. Now let's talk about something every Windows user will appreciate. Finally, some long-awaited fixes and upgrades to the File Explorer. New archive support. Windows can now open files like .cpio, .xcr, .nupkg without using tools like 7-zip or WinRAR. Dark mode fixed that annoying white flash while opening Explorer. Folder memory fixed the shorting preference, like date modified, now stays locked. No more resetting randomly. Small change but massive quality of life improvement. Now this is where productivity user wins. Previously called drag train, improved with a peak features to preview what you are dragging. Better positioning and usability, dedicated settings on the multitasking. This makes window management much faster. Quick but important updates. You can now skip non-critical updates during setup and reach your desktop faster. Batch file security. Windows is now protecting .bat files from command injection attacks. This is great for developers and IT users. A smaller but noticeable upgrade. Voice typing UI is now cleaner, smaller, no more bulky pop-ups. Emoji panel is faster switching, no lag. In Arabic keyboard layout, legacy support added for traditional users. Now, it's still a preview update, so yes, there are some bugs. Some users reported screen flickering in Xbox, especially on multi-monitor setups with different refresh rates. So maybe don't install this on your main PC just yet. This update clearly shows where Windows is heading. More modular, more AI-driven, more gaming-focused. And honestly, Xbox is alone could be a game changer if Microsoft fully adopts it. So what do you think? Is Windows finally becoming a true gaming OS, or is just another experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.